Hey everyone, welcome back to Hafsat Kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make the best Nigerian-style spaghetti ever. Rich, colorful, full of flavor, and trust me, you'll never cook spaghetti the same way again. If you love tasty homemade recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Alright, let's get cooking. Ingredients. Here's what we'll be using. 1 pack of spaghetti, tomatoes, pepper, onions, carrots, green pepper, cabbage, and grilled meat. We'll also need eggs, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, curry, thyme, bay leaf, and a bit of seasoning. These sauces are the secret to that rich restaurant flavor. Making the sauce. Pour in 1 cup of vegetable oil. When it's hot, add your sliced onions and sauté till fragrant. Now, add your blended tomatoes and pepper. Drop in a bay leaf for that nice aroma. Next, add curry, thyme, angostura seasoning, and a seasoning cube. This gives the sauce that rich red color we all love. Now add a few drops of sesame oil, a spoon of oyster sauce, and a dash of dark soy sauce. Stir and let it fry for about 10 minutes, until you see the oil float on top. That's when you know it's perfect. Add your parboiled spaghetti straight into the sauce. We're not making plain pasta here, every strand must soak up that flavor. Pour in a little hot water, not too much, just enough to help it mix. Stir thoroughly and let it simmer for a few minutes. Can you see that shine? That's exactly what we want. Rich, moist, and flavorful.
Now add your carrots, green pepper, and grilled meat. Mix and let it steam for a few minutes. Then add cabbage and onion leaves for that final crunch and color. The aroma in this kitchen is unbelievable. I wish you could smell it through the screen.
Into the night, let the rhythm flow. Feel the heat ignite, dancing toe to toe. Colors all around under the shining lights. Lose yourself in sound, chasing all the heights. Let the bass take over, feel your heart race. Uplift your soul, let the joy unfold. Grooving through the night, stories to be told. In this Afrobeat, we find our place. Dancing in the light, lost in the space. Wet on the floor as we move in sync. With every beat, we're closer, don't you pop that drink. Spin around the crowd, let your spirit fly. In this disco vibe, we all touch the sky. Raise your hands high, let the music guide us. Unmake your soul, let the child unfold. Fueling for night, for us to be told. In this Afrobeat, we found our heads. Cleansing in the night, all to the space. So a frequent memory, never say goodbye. Afro music craze, I let us feelings fight. Uplift your soul, let the joy unfold. Grooving through the night, stories to be told. In this Afrobeat, we find our place. Dancing in the light, lost in the space. So let's make a memory, never say goodbye. As the music fades, I let our spirits fly.
Now let's fry our eggs. Crack them into a bowl and add chopped onions, salt, seasoning, and pepper. Whisk nicely.
Pour into hot oil and fry until golden brown. Slice and serve it on top of your spaghetti. And that's it, my ultimate Nigerian spaghetti recipe. It's saucy, spicy, and full of flavor. The sesame oil and oyster sauce take it to another level, so good. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Hafsat Kitchen. Join me for more Nigerian recipes, food hacks, and kitchen inspiration. See you in my next video, bye for now. Waving hand medium skin tone.